Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is about traveling essential with names. Essential items which should always be with you in your bag. Hope this video is helpful for you. First, wallet. Packing cubes. Water bottle. Power bank. Earphones, headphones, AirPods. Travel pillow. Sunglasses. Mask and hand sanitizer. Wet tissue. Clips and comb. Chewing gum and mouth freshener. Perfume and body spray. Pen and notepad. Band-aid. Last, lip balm and sunscreen. If you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.